The holidays are just around the corner, and I'm sure you're already thinking about what to serve for your friends and family. But are you also worried about budget? So today, I will be sharing with you two simple recipes that make use of my backyard vegetables. Our first dish is called fried Laing spring roll. This is a very easy dish because you would just need to dump all the ingredients in. So we're done putting all the ingredients in except for the shrimp. So the shrimp would go in later. If you notice, the stove is not on, so that's deliberate. So our process for cooking laing is a slow cook process called pagsaing, and you don't need to worry about the ingredients. So at this point, we just cover the pot, we turn on the stove, we set it to the lowest temperature, and then mark it at 30 minutes initially. We'll go back and check on the leaves. So what we're looking for is the leaves wilting before we can start mixing. So at this point, the laing is simmering away, and this gives us time to prepare our other dish, which is the Malunggay Pesto. We collect the leaves of the malunggay in our mortar. It's very easy to do that. If the leaves are young, you can include the stems that are fresh, and then put in a few basil leaves. You can put in our clove of garlic, and then we start mashing along with oil. So I have here olive oil. Normally the malunggay leaf would leave somewhat bitter taste, but you can adjust it with parmesan, some nuts, and that's it. So now we're checking on our laing, and as you can see, it's now wilted. The leaves are now wilted, and at this point we can now mix it. So we'll just allow this to reduce a bit further, and then it's all done. So now our laing is fully reduced, and what I did is I added the shrimp before turning the stove off. So we end up with this type of laing where very few liquid, at most just the oil coming from the coconut. So what we will do is wrap this in a spring roll wrapper, and then later on fry it. Showcase your own traditional recipes by joining the TeleTech Philippines Intersite Cooking Video Contest. You may find the mechanics in PH Employee Comms and Engagement Workspace in Mosaic. I'm excited and looking forward to try your yummy Noche Buena dishes. Happy holidays!